In this video, I would like to explain exercise 4.1 from lines and angles of class 9th from AP and Telangana state boards. For the introduction, I suggest you just watch introduction videos of lines and angles which are given in description. Hi, this is Madhubabu. Exercise 4.1 of lines and angles. Already introduction is given in the description below. First watch that videos and next come to this video. Then only you can understand this exercise 4.1 and the lines and angles also. Exercise 4.1 first problem. In the given figure, name any 6 points. Here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and X, Y, M, N, P, Q are all are the points. So first problem, first one, any 6 points, we can write any 6 points. So I write 6 points only. A, B, C, D, E, F are the 6 points. And G, H, M, N, P, Q, X, Y are also points. So you can write any 6 points. And second one, any 5 line segments. What is a line segment? A line segment has, there is no definition, but it has a property. A line segment has 2 ending points. So here A, B. This is a line segment with the symbol. Line segments are denoted by like this. And X, Y is a line segment. M, N is a line segment. P, Q is one of the line segment. M, P, it is a line segment. So 5 line segments over. You can write GP is a line segment, PQ is a line segment, QH is a line segment, NF is a line segment. So you can write like this also. So the 5 line segments are over. Next, third one, any 4 rays. PB is also a ray. From this point, this is a ray. And PG is also a ray. And MA is also a ray. A ray has one end point. And ME, this is also a ray. But you write this symbol, ray symbol mentioned above the ME. And 4 rays over. NF is also a ray. QH is also a ray. PG is also a ray. A ray has one end point. And any 4 lines. Fourth one, any 4 lines. AB. AB is a line. We mention line symbol above AB. And CD is also a line. And EF is also a line. but you write line symbol above the EF. And GH is also a line. These are the 4 lines. And fifth one is any 4 collinear points. What is the definition of collinear points? If 3 or more points lie on a same line, then the points are said to be collinear points. So any 4 collinear points means, here take AB line. On AB line there are some points A, X, M, P, B. So these are collinear points. These points are lies on the same line AB. So these all are collinear points. So A, X, M, P, B are collinear points of line AB. And also C, Y, N, Q, D, these all are also collinear points of line CD. And also E, M, N, F all are also collinear points on the line EF. And G, P, Q, H, these all are also collinear points of line GH. Next, observe the following, second question, observe the following figures and identify the type of angles in them. First one, this is the angle, this angle A, which is greater than 180 degrees. So the angle which is greater than 180 degrees is called reflex angle. So first one is reflex angle. Angle A is reflex angle. Angle B makes 90 degrees, so it is a right angle. So angle B is right angle. And angle C, this angle as shown in the figure, this angle which is less than 90 degrees, so it is an acute angle. So angle C is an acute angle. And third question, state whether the following statements true or false. A ray has no endpoint. It is false. Actually a ray has one endpoint, so it is false. Actually a ray has one endpoint like this, so it is a false statement. And second one, line AB is the same as line BA, so it is true. Suppose take a line AB, so it is the same line as BA also, so it is true. Third one, a ray AB as the same as the rays BA. Suppose take ray AB, ray AB means A is the one end point. Ray BA means B is one end point of ray BA. So these are not same. So it is false. This is AB. A as the one end point of AB. And BA means different. Here B is one end point. Here A is one end point. So they are not same. That's why it is false statement. And fourth one, a line has a definite length. So it is a line. Line has no ending points, so we cannot define the length. So it is false statement. So this is false. And fifth one, a plane has length and breadth but not thickness. So it is true statement. Blackboard, it is an example for the surface of a blackboard is also an example for plane. The surface of this figure is an example for plane. It has length and breadth. It has no thickness. So plane has length and breadth. Plane has two dimensions. One is length and breadth. So it is a true statement. Next, sixth one. Two distinct points always determine a unique length. So it is true. These are the two distinct points. Suppose AB. So two distinct points always determine a unique length. So this is true. Two lines may intersect in 2 points. Next, seventh one. Draw two lines which are intersecting lines. So two lines intersect at 1 point only, but here two lines may intersect in 2 points. So two lines may never intersect at 2 points. So this is the false statement. And eighth one. Two intersecting lines cannot both be parallel to the same line. So this is also true. These are the two intersecting lines. So we cannot draw a parallel line to both of these lines. Suppose we draw a parallel line to this line, then it will not be parallel to second line. So it is true statement. And fourth question. What is the angle between two hands of a clock when the time in the clock is 9 o'clock? So at 9 o'clock, angle between two hands, this is represents 12 and there is represents 9. This is a hour hand and this is minute hand. So the angle between these two hands is 90 degrees. So first one is 90 degrees. And second one is 6 o'clock. This is 12, 3, 6, 9. At 6 o'clock, this is minute hand and this is hour hand. So these two hands make 180 degrees at 6 o'clock. These two hands make a straight line. So at 6 o'clock, two hands make 180 degrees. And C, 7 o'clock. A clock has 12 hours. 12 hours making a rotation, it means 360 degrees. So the angle between each hour, 12 by 360 by 12. 360 by 12 means that is 30 degrees. So each hour, the angle between each hour makes 30 degrees. So 7 hours, 7 into 30. So at 7 hours, the two hands making an angle 730 is 210 degrees. This is the exercise 4.1. If you like this video, please like it and share it to your classmates or friends and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.